Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are around the world. Welcome to The Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I am in this attire tonight because I am paying tribute to the father-in-law of one of our fans and supporters and friends here at The Day Trader. His father-in-law passed away, and just a few moments ago I premiered a tribute for the man. Thomas, he was a war veteran, and he had the Bronze Star and the Purple Heart. A true legend, a true hero who passed away a few days ago, and we've just done a tribute. If you're interested, the link is in the chat, and you can go and pay your respects and share your memories with him. Please comment below the video, and it'll be there forever. We will leave that video there forever. There we go. So, onwards now with the show. The Day Trader. So please do click subscribe and ring the bell if it's your very first time here to The Day Trader. Please welcome to all. And once you've done that, then of course click the thumbs up button. That'd be much appreciated. Click the thumbs up button to let us know that you are here, and also that helps promote our channel. We will be 6 weeks old this Friday, so there we go. Give us a thumbs up. The more shares and thumbs up you give, the more chance that YouTube will share these videos. All right, let's go over now to my portfolio. We've had an all kind of day today. I want to welcome members to the show. We've got a number of viewers already over there on TikTok. If you'd like to join in the main show with us this afternoon, please click the profile just here. Click on the icon. Click on the Instagram link, and then you will see my YouTube link right there. And the reason why I tell you that is because then you can see the trading screens. Here on TikTok, you can only see my face. Well, if you want to see the trading screens, then go to YouTube. The link is right behind here and right behind the Instagram link. Just click on that, and you'll be seeing what I'm seeing and everybody else is seeing. All right. Okay. In the chat, we have Michael Williams. Hello, Michael Williams. Let's bring up your name on the screen. There he is, Michael Williams. Hello, my name is Michael Williams. How are you today? Wonderful staff. Alicia and Patricia from Italy, they are here. Welcome our new friend. Michael Williams has joined us today. And Alicia, Patricia as well. They're all here today. Thank you very much indeed, and good afternoon to all of you. All right, we've got 10 likes already, so that's great. We're off and running. So this is The Day Trader. We are trading live here on stocks and shares and Bitcoin. We've had an all kind of day today. I did see Kenneth was here earlier. I wonder where he's gone. Hopefully he'll be back in the show in a few minutes' time. We'll have him back in. So, we've got 11 likes now. There we go. Fantastic. We are climbing. Great stuff. Okay, now this is what our friends on TikTok can see. This is the TikTok viewers. That's what they can see right now. As you can see, they only get my face. If they want to see the main screen, you just got to click on the profile right here, and then you will be over into the main show. All right, so let's go through our stocks and shares here this afternoon. Already put a like on the video. Yeah, I see we've got 11 now, which means the crowd is all here. There we go. Fantastic. We've had an all kind of day today. We've been moving shares around all over the place. And let's have a look. So our portfolio now is 49,835. So we've had ups and downs today. But let's have a look. Amazon is down today 1%. That's part of the correction that's coming, I think. Johnson & Johnson's down at 2%. All right, this is why you want to keep some powder dry to take advantage of these the situation. So right now 519 is my buying power. That's what I have to spend. So we have to be very careful right now that we don't spend it all on one thing, but we protect ourselves. So Amazon down 1%, Johnson & Johnson down 2.3%, Tesla is up 0.25%. That's great. Facebook is up 0.5%. Apple is down 0.5% as well. Coca-Cola is down 1%. There we go. Good time to buy Coke. I've got 30 shares of that. Not too bad at all. AT&T, there we go, down 0.25%. Disney up 0.18 still. The VTI, the overall, as you can see, down as you'd expect when everything else is down. Google, as you can see, is up 0.14. McDonald's down very slightly, so there's an opportunity to buy McDonald's. If you look at it overall, it's not bad time at all. A few dips there over the last 3 months. It's up 2%. Not bad at all. Over the last year, up 11%. So we are in a bit of a dip right now. There may be a correction coming. We don't know. So maybe wait a little bit longer. SPCE, Virgin Galactic, up a little bit today. So that's good. That's the best position I've been in for quite a while. So we're very thankful for that. Rolls-Royce flat today. Robinhood up 3.5%. Great. Hello, my name is Michael Williams. Today I went to McDonald's. Today he went to McDonald's. Absolutely fantastic. Michael went to McDonald's today. Brilliant. Well, Michael, I have shares in McDonald's, so I'm very glad you went to McDonald's today, because our shares are down though. So you obviously didn't eat enough. You didn't buy. You didn't eat enough because the shares are down today. But there we go. Virgin Galactic, Rolls-Royce down slightly, but we're still up 12%. Robinhood, I think that's brilliant. I love the way you did that. So Lucid Group is up 5% today. That's great. So we've seen a gain there today. Only up very slightly though, but nevertheless we are up there. Ocugen is up today 3.5%, but I'm still down 11%. Nothing to do there. Harpoon Therapeutics is up a little bit, but not much. Carnival's had quite a good day. Not really much to sing about there at the moment, though. NRXP, all right. We've had a bit of a bounce now, so we're still down 4%. Welcome, Michael. Yeah, he's a new member to our team. Has he liked the video? I think he probably has. Has he liked the video? We've got a whole new crowd of people here right now at this precise moment in time. So NRXP has had a little bit of a bounce here this afternoon. We're still down 4% though, so we want to try and get out of that if we can. XOS is down very, very slightly. Now GSAT, this is the one we invested in this morning, just down slightly at the moment. And of course, Bitcoin all over the place due to El Salvador recorrecting and so on and so forth. Right, we are now up to 1,160 subscribers to this channel, brand new channel, really growing quickly. Thanks to all of you, absolutely fantastic. All right, let's get the news. Final trades on the day. Let's have a look at this.
It's Dr. J, I understand you just bought some calls in a stock that people might recognize the name from Josh. Matterport.
Exactly. I know this is going to put a smile on Josh's face. Bought the 1750 calls, Scott. They're buying calls all the way out to 20 that expire next Friday. I'm in.
All right. Interesting. Watch that stock rise as we talk. Josh Brown, what do you got?
Our friends over there on TikTok, just want to say welcome, welcome, welcome. Join us here on YouTube. Just click the profile right here. Find my icon, click the icon, and then you'll see the Instagram icon, and then you can join us live on YouTube. Just click the YouTube link, and you'll be here. And you will then see the trading screens of what we're doing. It'll make a lot more sense. I can't share it on TikTok because you can only go through your phone, not your computer. So there you go. Come and join us.
Leslie's initiation of coverage today. They say the stock's worth 28. I think it's worth 28 and more. Nice to see. I'm long.
All right. Pool supplies we're talking about there as the summer wraps up. Bryn?
Yeah, LIT. If you want to play the EV market, it is an ETF that focuses on the mining, refining, and the battery production around lithium.
Okay.
So it's a great way to play the growth in EVs.
Give me a name, Weiss, please.
DKS, Dick's attitude this morning.
That was strange. Right in the middle of that, we cut off. Never mind. Okay, let's get on to our next breaking news. John's triple options play. We got lots of stuff to talk about today with last-minute trades. Let's have a listen to this.
It's unusual activity today.
All right, snap, quick, Scott. Cody, C-O-T-Y, November 8 calls with the stock at about $7.50. They bought 20,000 of those. Second one, alternative fuels, GEVO. This one, they also bought a big number, about 18,000 of the 750 calls These are calls in September, though, Scott. Lastly, EA. EA, we're seeing with the stock at about $140. We see the September 24th expiration, 143 calls. Bought. Big numbers here as well. All three, I am in, Scott, and I'll be in them till close to expiration.
There we go. More breaking news there. Who's now joined? John Brunette has just joined us. John, okay. Lovely to have you here. John, I'm in black today because I'm paying tribute to Martyn Reading. He's just now attending the funeral of his father-in-law. And if you're interested, guys, to support our friend Martyn, here on the Day Trader, you will see a link to the Martyn Lucas channel. And here we go. I did something for Martyn Reading today. Here we go. Here's just finished watching the video. Oh, you just finished. Thank you very much, Kenneth. Please leave comments below the video for the family. I did that for them. If you look here on the Martyn Lucas show, I'll give you the link right now, and I will send it to you. Here we go. This is what we did here. I just did a tribute to Martyn for his family, and there we go. This is there's his father-in-law. If I give you all the link here, please go and have a little look at it after the show and leave a message for Martyn. The family are going to be watching it later on. I just did it. It was extremely rushed through. I was given the obituary. I read that out for the first time. Didn't get a chance to go through it. Tried to edit this as quickly as possible, but do the best job I could. So I hope they like it. I hope it does the man proud. He's not a hero. He has a Purple Heart and a Bronze Star, so I'm absolutely blown away by that. But there we go. The link is in the chat. Go and check it out later on. I thought you were taking up street magic. What, with the black suit? Yeah. All right, there we go. Right, back to the show in hand right now. Okay, so who have we got? Who am I talking to now? I thought you... Kenneth here, just finished watching the video. Oh, thank you ever so much, Kenneth. Appreciate that very much indeed. Put a little message below in the comments for Martyn. Right, so if you can see here, we've had a bit of a bounce. I won't be around cooking a fancy dinner. Oh, okay. A fancy dinner for who? What's going on? Oh, Dr. Nathan Smith. Hello, Dr. Nathan Smith. How are you this afternoon? Well, we've got all sorts going on here this afternoon, of course. We've got Global Star, which I invested bigger and bigger throughout the day. NRXP is blowing up. I saw that. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. All of a sudden, in the last few moments. Okay, here we go. I want to make a profit of this one and get out of NRXP, I think. Hello, is Michael Williams. Michael Williams is a new member to our show, and I was talking about McDonald's today dropping, and he said, I've just been to McDonald's. It was quite funny. I like that. So Michael Williams is a new guest of ours. He watches my Martyn Lucas show quite a lot, the music show. So let's keep our eye on this. Dr. Nathan Smith, just to let you know, I'm wearing this black suit because we did a tribute today for one of our friends here, a war hero, Martyn Reading. His father-in-law passed away, and I made a tribute video for him. That's why I'm wearing this suit today, in honour of his father-in-law. Martyn is attending the funeral right now, or at least he's on the way there to meet the family. Okay. Hi, John. Hi, Alicia. So NRXP is just literally in the last few moments jumped up a couple of percent. There we go. That's good. I'm still down 3 1/3% though. I want to get out of this position, or at least make some profit and get out of it. Carnival just had a bit of a bounce there as well. But these are the new ones today. We are in Ocugen. We're down 11%. We're expecting a bounce, but the big news of the day is GSAT. This is what I invested a lot here today with, and we'll see what happens. John Brunette, I think you've just left a message to Martyn Reading. Thank you very much indeed. That's where he's gone. Thank you very much. GSAT keeps getting manipulated downward. I watched a really nice bull trap happen. Oh, did you? Okay. So that's okay. It means it means there's action going on. I'm okay with that. Let that happen. We can let that happen. Shorts will be leaving soon. Yes, and then we'll see it rise. Okay. So I bought on the dip all the way down. Kept lowering my dollar averages. I didn't get the big bounce, of course, that Mr. Kenneth Brunt did, of course. He got the benefit of yesterday. I wish I'd listened to him. That would make up for my bad timing with Ocugen, right? He said to me he told us all about Global Star, GSAT, and we did nothing. And yesterday it rose 30%. But I bought in. I like the idea. I like what it's doing. And then I managed to buy it on the way down. I bought it all the way down here to try and lower my averages, to try to recoup what I had. And it's worked. I'm now down just 1% on it, just over 1% with a $1,200 investment. I've got 465 shares. Shorts will be leaving soon. Right, NRXP is lifting up. Let's have a look at it. Down just 3% now. Can we get out of that today? Let's see how that affects my portfolio. My position right now on the day is up 0.3. Joshua Fife, good evening. Ocugen still has potential. Right, let's go and look at Ocugen right now. I'm down 11% right now. I don't want to put any more in it. Not right now. I'd like to see it drop a bit more to do that if I could. Hold NRXP till next week. That's what John Brunette is saying. Okay, why do we feel for that then? I'm just feeling it, watching it. Let's have a look through my overall portfolio today. As you can see, Bitcoin is taking a bit of a battering today. We're all over the place with Bitcoin at the moment. It's very unsettled. It is what it is. Some good news is coming. All right. I believe in that. That's why I invested in it. But I just would like to see a return on it because I've got other things I want to put money in. Dras probably holding back on insider news. Where is Dras? It's funny since it's been down, we've hardly seen Dras. I wonder where he is. I wonder if he'll pop in now. We've had this bounce. I really hope sincerely he's not concerned because he was here every day, and then as soon as it went down, he disappeared. And we're all here to support each other, and we're all here to make recommendations. But we can't be. We're not responsible for it. I'm not going to go around and beat Kenneth Brunk up when GSAT loses me $1,200 and goes to zero. It's my choice. If I had any AirXP, I wouldn't leave it just yet. Okay. Charts are favourable for a hold. Yeah, I mean, I've got it there. I've only got a little bit. Let's be honest, $627, 50 shares. I think John's got a lot more than that, right? So okay, I'll go with that. But I'm not going to buy any more though. If I was going to buy more, I'd have bought it this morning. XOS is an interesting story as well. GSAT any minute, $16,000. Yeah, John's in it a little bit. John is in a little bit, like $16,000. So yeah, all right, John. 1,280 shares. Roller. Oh dear, oh dear. This is what I love about this community. You've got some of us who will buy like $1 worth, who like put $5 on something, and then someone else puts like 16 grand, and then you've got Dras with like $30,000 on one share, his entire portfolio. It's like, God, you just don't know what's coming, do you? You really don't know what's coming. It's really interesting. Oh God. So anyway, I'm looking. I want to get away from this $50,000. I got to 52, and then all of a sudden we started losing money. Percentages are all that matters. Absolutely, absolutely. If you've got $10 and you're up 20%, that's brilliant. That's all that matters. And then you reinvest the 20%, and then you grow, and then you've got 12, and then you've got 20. Absolutely, it's not important. It's not important the money. The money. It's the percentages. I'm really enjoying your show, Michael Williams. Michael Williams, we love having you here. Let me just tell everybody, Michael Williams comes to all my Martyn Lucas shows. and we'll be doing one this afternoon. It's a party this afternoon. We got Country Roads, we got Sweet Caroline, we got all disco stuff. We're gonna have a party this afternoon. So there we go. And he's there every day, and now he's come over to the day trader, and he's watching that. You know, I'm so happy now because I only lost 400. What? Oh, you only lost $400 today. I thought 400,000. Nice little break from the 2,000 losses. Oh God, John, I don't know how you do it. In fact, I mean, what am I talking about? I'm down $2,500. I'm down $2,500. I'm sitting here perfectly fine. It's fine. Remember, you don't lose money until you sell, right? Amazon's on sale, everybody. Bit of a sale going on Amazon right now, if you fancy that. Johnson & Johnson's also on sale. Tesla's dipping a little bit, but Facebook's dropping back. There's definitely some profits today, and then you could sell off today if you were a brave man. You certainly could. Just got a message come through. No, beg your pardon. No, I didn't. I thought I just got a message come through. Coke has dropped back down. AT&T. Interesting. Disney. A little opportunity to buy in here because it keeps on going up and I keep missing opportunities. I got $500 right now. What does everybody think? Everyone's talking about this correction coming. I was just looking at it, a video about it a minute ago. Should we have a quick look about this correction? Not this video, but there's another one. Here we go. Let's have a look at this.
Certainly building, so you can understand why people are getting a little bit cautious or nervous. What is it, this week alone? What are we, Thursday? Goldman cuts the growth forecast this week. Morgan Stanley downgrades U.S. equities to underweight. Deutsche Bank says expect a significant pullback. Somebody grab their phone before the rally comes back. Bank of America, Savita Subramanian says it might not end now, the rally, but it could end badly eventually. So, okay, I'll ask you this, Josh. Is it time to get negative, or is it time to say this too shall pass?
I think it's time to say, I hope they take them down because market is plus 18% year to date. And I probably don't have as much stock as I want to if this rally is going to continue. It's the only rational mindset unless tomorrow is the day that you're cashing out your portfolio. So I really don't see a problem with us having some sort of September or October tremors. Like, that happens all the time. I'm rooting for it. It's a better opportunity to buy than higher prices, and nobody should be shocked by that outcome. On average, we're off 10% from highs every.
I agree, totally 100%. Don't worry about it. It's all part of the course. You can't go up until you go down, and you have to go down to go up. It's all part of it. So this is where you want to try and make some profits and have some money on hand. Just keep 10% of your money. I could do with $5,000. Just sit in there to see.
18 months or so. So, like, nobody should fall out of their chair if and when that happens. The thing that causes it, or whatever cause we assign to it after the fact, will probably be something scary, something like the Fed made a mistake or the move variant or whatever you want to say. But it's those times that we say this too shall pass. So I think there's always risk every day we wake up. I know that might not be the most satisfying answer, but strategists have been putting out notes about the potential for a correction every month of every year of every decade forever.
More recently,
and that should not dissuade people from being invested.
Doc,
what does everybody feel about that? I agree. I see the correction, which we've been talking about now. I'm getting bored of talking about it because we've had these ups and downs now for quite a while. Oh, hang on. We've got some movement here right now. So let's have a look. Is Bitcoin dropping again? No, it's going sideways, so it's not that. Global GSAT is trading sideways. We've got 5 minutes before the bell. Exos is moving up there. Wow, check out IXIC. Okay, let's get in it. IXIC, here we go. IXIC. Not available to me. Not available to me. IXIC. No, it's one of your over-the-counter stuff, is it? Not available on Robinhood, so I won't deviate from where I am right now. But no, what's going on with that? All I know is that tons of folks lost money panic selling. Always. That's how we make money. That's how we grow. When people sell, price goes down. We just buy some more. That's what the whole stock market is about. It's about people panicking and not understanding what they're doing. Okay, no, it's the Nasdaq index. Oh, I see. Okay. Wow, look at that. Look at that, folks. Yep. There's something dropping. Whoa, look at Amazon going down. Johnson going down. All the big ones. Tesla moving down. Facebook falling off. Yeah, look, Apple dropping. So if you'd sold all of this, bought back lower, that would be a wise move, wouldn't it? Sell. I don't know. Sell everything. That's a bit ridiculous. I've got a jet, folks. See you tomorrow. Okay, John. Take care. Thanks ever so much for being here. And don't forget to leave a comment below Martin Redding's video for his father-in-law. That'd be nice for the family, all our friends here. If you could get the chance to do that, leave a message for him on that video. All right, nice one. See you tomorrow, mate. Have a good night. Disney's up slightly. There's the ETF. Look, down 30%. Third of a percent, not 30%. Google's flat. McDonald's is flat. Virgin Galactic's still up today. I'm really happy with Virgin. It's moving in the right direction. Still 17% down. Let's get one thing straight. I'm not jumping up and down. I'm glad Robinhood has had a bit of a bounce today. I was getting a bit worried about that. Lucid has had a good day today. Is up at 5%. I made some profit there. Looking for another dip so I can do some more, but right now we're up there. Oxygen is still up. I'm leaving my shares there because it's good news on the horizon. Harpoon just dropped back a little bit. Carnival up a bit today, now flat. NRXP. Bye, John. See you tomorrow. There's from Alicia. Thank you very much, guys. Let me zoom in that a minute. That's better. Let me zoom in the chat. There we go. Make it easy for me. There we go. That's better. Clearer now. NRXP, yep. I wonder if we'll get something in the after hours. Probably will. Exos, nothing to do there. Global Star, nothing to do there. Bitcoin, nothing to do there. There we go. The overall portfolio. So today I'm up 0.16. But, it's a quiet day. Luca Bear over there on TikTok. How are you, Luca Bear? If you want to see our trading screens, click the profile. And then behind the profile, you'll see my icon. Click the icon. And then you'll see Instagram icon. Click that. And then you can come directly into YouTube. You'll see a YouTube link right behind it. And then you'll see all the trading screens. Take you 5 seconds from here to get to there. And that'll be great. And then you can come into our live chat with all our team. All right. Let's have a look at some more breaking news. Airlines cut forecast for the near future. Let's have a look at this.
Today, Doc, many cutting their forecast.
Oh, no, I won't touch that. We're out of time. We've got 1 minute to go before the bell goes. So let's get ready with the bell. And then let's watch GSAT, Exos, NRXP after the bell, okay? So we'll start on our portfolio and we'll watch for indicators. 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens on that. Just 20 seconds to go. And then we'll ring the bell. Okay, here we go. We'll watch our portfolio and then we'll drop into those stocks and see what they do. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And there we go. We're now in the after hours. Okay, and let's watch it. I better go on the live. Nothing yet. Okay, there we go. Thank you, Alicia, for the bell. Right. Doesn't affect Bitcoin, but right, let's have a look. Right, we've just dropped a bit. Where's it going to go? Global Star has just dropped down a bit. Exos sideways, and NRXP. What's NRXP going to do in the after hours? Drop slightly. These are what I'm watching right now. These are the ones that I'm looking to make money on and move in and out and all the rest of it. Checking back to my portfolio. Oh, there we go. We're having a bit of a drop. There she goes. Look, over a cliff. Oh, bounce back. So what's bouncing back? Let's have a look. GSAT sitting there. Not a lot to say about Exos, trade sideways, NRXP. There could be some movement for Virgin Galactic in the after hours. There we go. Thought there was. Up slightly. Psy, maybe tomorrow. Yeah, not exciting. It's going to be one of those days today. One of those days today. It's a bit of a wait and see. Everyone's waiting to move. You can sense that across all the markets. We had a drop and now we're just hovering. But we did have that NRXP pop a minute ago, didn't we? So you never know. All right, who wins the day? Who wins? I'm up 0.11. Anybody beat me? This would be a lot easier if there weren't a potato in the White House. I'm not getting involved. I'm not getting involved. What do I know about it? The Dow S&P 500 extend losing streaks to fourth day. Doesn't bother me. I don't see much of a loss. I'm, not really bothered. You're down 8%. See, this is what a diverse portfolio with protection of Bitcoin and a little bit of fun playing on the side, which we've done. You see me do it all the time. But there you go. I'm up 0.12. How many people can say they're up today? Not many people, right? So do I win? What about everybody? Anybody else? What about John's gone? But I know Martin's not here today because he's at the funeral. But what about Dr. Nathan Smith, Joshua Fife? Are you investing at the moment? What about the rest of you? Michael Williams, you got your money on anything? Down 8%. Well, so come on, everybody else, get your scores in. I'm up 0.13. Does anybody beat me? Someone give me a challenge. Come on. It's quite funny, really, isn't it, by the day? Because let's be honest. Kenneth Brunk was up 30% on Global Star, so it's a bit ridiculous. It's a bit ridiculous me claiming a win when actually my Global Star is down today 0.26%, and he's up probably 27%. It's quite funny. But I'm still up 20% for the week, so I don't mind. That doesn't count. We don't do a weekly competition, Kenneth. Kenneth Brunk, don't come in here trying to change the rules. We don't do a we don't do a weekly competition. Don't make up your own rules. Here's Bill. Here he is. I'm up a tiny bit. Yet we don't. All right, maybe we will soon. When we get a an average of 20 viewers, then we'll start a weekly competition. All right, our average now is 15. So when we get 20 viewers as an average, then I'll see. Kenneth Brunk, up a tiny bit. Nice one, Bill. SPC, are you? Yeah, I can see that. Are you only in that one share? Only that one stock, Bill? Just that one thing right now, probably. Did you buy on the way down? Yes, you did. I asked you that yesterday, didn't I? You did. Good man. Good man. Typo, but still down from my buy-in. Okay. Oh, you're down slightly. Yeah. So let's go back. It's good to know that everyone's watching the screens. I know 2 penny stocks. Oh, there you go. You bought some penny stocks, did you? What did you buy? Did you buy some stocks without telling us, Bill? What's going on there? We need to know we need to know what you're doing. Global Star moving down slightly. Exos sideways. Yeah. Or NRXP, another little lift. Okay, I'm down 2.5%. Okay, that's good. Carnival trading sideways, not much going on there. Harper Therapeutics sideways. Oxygen sideways. Lucid Group. So it's a I don't mind saying it, it's a boring market right now. This is what it's about when you watch markets every day. Some days it's boring. Right now it's boring. There's nothing going on, and that's okay. We can live with that. Google sideways. The overall market. AT&T email. Oh, I got an email. I love the way he says email. Just email. Oh, hello. Hey, Mr. Kenneth Brunk. Mr. Bill has been buying stocks and shares without us. He's been going off doing his own thing. Let me share it with you. Look, this is what he's buying. He's bought FLT at $1.14. Doesn't say how many he's bought of each. And he's bought FLWR at 10 cents each. I'm not a fan of penny stocks. They're cheap for a reason. You can make money on it, I get it, but I don't tend to bother with it very much. I have a couple, so you know I do. I've got a couple, and it's a bit of fun. It's good. You should have a couple, but don't get crazy on it. Don't get crazy on penny stocks just because they're cheap. What do you think of these ones? I want to get Ken's feeling on FLT and FLWR. See, he's up there, a lot on SBCE, but he's flat on the other two. There we go. So what do you think about those? I've never heard of those. And they probably won't be in my Robinhood either. Being penny stocks, they probably won't. Facebook. Over the counter is usually a real gamble, but every so often one shows well. That's right. That is a little bit of a gamble because those businesses aren't established. They've not had much success. It's a bit of a gamble. It's not really for me. If you've started out on the market, if you come into the stock market and you want to buy some shares and you can fractional share, then split, and you've got $500, split it across Amazon, Johnson, Tesla, Facebook, Apple, and Coca-Cola. That's what I would recommend. And then just sit and wait. Get some money, make some profit, then start working on your profits. That's kind of what I did. And then I took all my money out, reset myself, and now I'm basically working on profits. I wouldn't... I know it's tempting. You think, oh, I'll buy some penny stocks. It's like 2 pence. I can buy 100 of those. FLT on the NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. I don't know. I'll show you again on the screen what he sent me. That's all I've got. That's all he sent me. I don't know. FLT and FLWR. Can't say I've heard of them, but... Why did you buy them, Bill? What drew you to those? I'm interested to know. Why did you buy them? They just look good? They appealed to you? Was it because they were cheap? Was it because you like what they do? Or you just threw a dart at a board? Or got one of those monkeys to ran out of the zoo to pick one? What was your thoughts? Love to know what your thoughts were. XOS. Global Star. Nothing going on. See? Everyone's consolidating. Everyone's just sitting around waiting for something to happen. That's what's happening right now. It's not very exciting. Unless you just want to buy on the way down and buy some cheaper stocks. That's not a bad idea. But it's not down enough yet. This isn't a correction, guys. A correction is 20, 30%. A correction isn't 5%. A correction really isn't even 10%, really. 20, 30%, then you're talking about something, right? Stocks fluctuate 5, 10% a lot. And if you just keep buying up and down, you'll end up with a really, 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 really big portfolio if you do that. It's very easy to get all excited about stuff like that and get carried away. I did that when I first started investing. I thought, oh, it's down 2%, I'll buy some more. Oh, it's down 2%, I buy some more. It kept going on, and time it got to 10% down, I ran out of money, and then it dropped 20%, and I had no money left. It was like, oh God, I was trying to consolidate, and I've ended up with nothing. So be careful. Don't consolidate too much too quickly. Was that Petco? Petco. Is that Petco? I can't pronounce that name on the screen on TikTok. Petco Paco. Hello, Petco Paco and Luca Bear. If you're over on TikTok, click the profile right here. Behind the profile, you will see my icon. Click the icon, then you'll see Instagram icon. Click that, and you'll be right into YouTube. It's not Fleetcore, is it? Bill, are you still there? Is it Fleetcore? Kenneth Brunk is asking the question. Is it Fleetcore? FLT. Because sometimes you'll see other tickers that'll be FLT and there'll be something else. So you need the full. Sometimes you need the full name. FLT might not be enough for Kenneth to know which one is which. How's your wife, Kenneth? She's trading on the side there with you, right? How is she doing today? Is she beating you, or are you still the king of your castle? Or is the queen the king of your castle? Nope. Found it. He's found it. A TSX market. Not familiar with that. Educate us, Kenneth. What's a TSX market? What is a TSX? Is Bill still here? We're doing some technical analysis for you, Bill. Kenneth's going to send you his invoice. He's going to send you his invoice in the post in a minute. So you need to be here just so we can ask you what your address is so we can post it off to you. It's very expensive as well, Kenneth is. Imagine if we start doing that a year from now when we've got 1 million subscribers and people want some advice. Say, oh yeah, I can give you some advice. It's $50 and I'll send you an analysis. NRXP just dropping back slightly again. XOS, GSAT. No, this is a very, very quiet after hours on a Thursday afternoon. So tomorrow is going to be interesting. The last day of the week. All this pent up frustration and interest, and where's it all going to go? So that will be very, very interesting to see what will happen. Restaurant brands see on growth in the reopening. Let's have a look at this. Chicken shortage. Let's have a listen to this.
Jose, I mean, clearly the Popeyes chicken sandwich was the thing that really reinvigorated that category over the last sort of 3 or 4 years, and everyone's fought back. Even Red Lobster now has a chicken sandwich, which I think is a sign of the times. Obviously, Burger King is...
It's a Toronto Stock Exchange. Canadian. Okay. It's on that market. Are you here, Bill? Hope Bill's all right. He's not with us at the minute. Well, that looks nice. That's making me hungry.
Well, you've got the new sandwich, original spicy versions. Is demand continuing to surprise you, and is supply of chicken a problem now?
So, yeah, Popeye started the so-called chicken wars back in 2019. We had an incredible 2020 as a result of the performance of that chicken sandwich and the rest of the business it brought along with it. Bone-in chicken, our side items, the desserts grew like pretty significantly. We had a very strong.
Adrio, is that Adrio? Adrio, welcome to the party. How are you? If you want to see our trading screens, it's on YouTube. You click the profile. You click this profile button here. You click my icon. You then see the Instagram icon. Click that, and the YouTube link's right behind that, and then you'll see my trading screens. Can't see it on TikTok. as it's only on my phone. Come and join the party.
First quarter this year, so our 2-year comparable was 30%, which shows that the Popeyes business is strong.
Ah, FLT. He loves drones. That makes sense. Where is Bill gone? Where's Bill gone? Can someone go wake up Bill? That makes sense. He loves drones, doesn't he? He does a lot of flying drones. That makes sense. That's a good way to invest. That's something he's interested in. That's something he cares about. He likes drones. So we like the fact he's bought stock in drones. Cool, cool, cool. I'm not sure I'd buy stocks in drones because the competition is fierce, and the drone companies, apart from DJI, which this is what I've got, as in I've got the drone, I haven't got the stock, is it can be gone tomorrow. You know, that someone could do something different, and that drone business, I would imagine, is very, very volatile. Both of those over-the-counters are poised for some movement, but without digging, I can't say what the potential is. There we go. UAVS is a drone company I've been following for years. Oh, have you? What, is DJI a public company?
Demand is there for the chicken sandwich. We think there's an opportunity with Burger King as well, and we haven't seen any real supply issues on our end. We have really good partners on the supply side and distributors, so we've worked closely with them throughout the last couple of years.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch anything else other than DJI, if I'm totally honest, because those sort of companies can come and go like nobody's business. Sorry, was on the phone. We've done all sorts here. Bill, you need to rewind the video. Rewind the video 10 minutes. Just drag it back 10 minutes, and we did a whole technical thing on it. We looked at it for you, and we had a conversation about why you chose it, and we talked about the whole thing. So what I suggest you do, Bill, is drag your timeline back 10 minutes and watch what we've just been saying about you the last 10 minutes.
To ensure that we have
a little warning though, in the last 10 minutes you see a lot of fried chicken on the screen, so it's going to make you hungry as well.
have high quality, great tasting chicken to deliver to our guests. We'll stay close to it. It's a topic that's top of mind for all of us. Even my wife asks me about it on a regular basis. Make sure we have enough chicken at Popeyes and Burger King to deliver to our guests. But it's something that's top of mind. But we look pretty good as we head into the second quarter, into the summer months.
Which is your favorite, the Popeyes or the Burger King chicken sandwich?
I love them all. I like the Popeyes classic and the Burger King spicy, topped off with.
I know it wasn't a full thing, Kenneth, but it was worth every. I had a few bucks left over after Virgin, but so tossed it on those. There yeah. Make sure you rewind that back 10 minutes, Bill. You got to go back 10 minutes to see what we said about you. I'm going to make him go back now because we were talking bad about you. We were calling you out, Bill. There you go. Now you're going to have to look, right? You have to look what we said now. Go back 10 minutes, right? Chicken delivered by drone. Now there's something to invest in.
With a nice coffee from Tim Hortons.
That's so diplomatic, Jose. Come on. I mean, to throw Tim Hortons in as well, I'm disappointed. But anyway, we'll go on to the next question. What about vaccinations? Are you going to require workers to get vaccinated? Are you going to ask customers when we're back to completely normal to show evidence of having been vaccinated?
Well, we're seeing a strong rollout of the vaccine here in the U.S. and in the U.K. as well, and other markets. Obviously, that's a decision that folks are making personally.
He's going to look. Be right back. Brilliant.
And we're working closely with municipalities and the government authorities to ensure that we do our part as a restaurant business. We do our part as an employer here in the U.S., Canada, and all around the world to take care of our folks, our teams, our franchisees, and our guests that come in every day.
Jose, good to see you. Thanks so much.
There we go. There we go. What the cluck? Chicken prices, demand soar. That's another way of looking at it. There we go. We won't cover that one right now. We want to go back to the market. We've only got 10 minutes to go. So am I the winner then? Am I the winner? I'm going to call it out because no one else is claiming a prize. So I'm up 0.18. So the winner on today's show is me. I'm the winner. I win. There we go. I'm up 0.17. Or it's running away by the minute, but I'll take it. Amazon's still going down. If you want to get yourself a little bit of a bargain, Amazon is on sale right now. It's not as low as it was. I am up. Oh, look at that. Dr. Nathan Smith. He had to come in, didn't he? He had to come in and ruin it. I don't know, actually, if I should give him that, because I gave him plenty of time. I gave him plenty of time, didn't I? Like 20 minutes now. I've been calling out, where's Dr. Smith? Has he won? Sorry for being late. Well, I was in a meeting. Well, I mean, you got to tell, whoever it is okay. Whatever it is, whatever your meeting is, you got to tell them. You can't be in your meeting because, you're busy on the day trader. I know you're a doctor and you're probably having a meeting about life and death situations, but you got to get your priorities right. No, I'm sorry, Kenneth. I said at 3:00. Who's got the scores? And 20 minutes later, I finally gave it to myself, and then 21 minutes later, he pops in and says, I've been late on a meeting. I'm sorry. No, if you turned up 21 minutes late and the plane had gone, would the pilot come back? No. Oh, Johnson & Johnson, look. Whoa, look at that in the after hours. You could have made some money there. Look at that for a jump. That's just jumped 2.5%. Johnson & Johnson doesn't do that. Look at that. If you bought when that was down... Oh, there he goes back down again. Look at that. Look at that. Have you seen a spike like that with Johnson & Johnson? I tell you what. You don't see spikes like that with Johnson & Johnson. Look at that. That was a... Let me expand the chart. See what happened there. Somebody bought in. Oh, that's low. Make some money on Johnson & Johnson. And then, boom. Sell and buy back. Look at that instantly. That's why you buy dips. Because that can happen. Blimey. If that person sold up there, they would be laughing. Now they can buy it again. That's 2.5% right there. Tesla's bouncing about. Ah, this is interesting. If everyone's bouncing about, what's our favourite shares doing right now? Oh, and there goes Bitcoin again. There goes Bitcoin again, over a cliff again. We'll eat chicken later. Don't after the drive home show. Oh yeah. That sounds nice. Right, well, we're coming to the end of the show. So it just leaves me to say, today, I'm wearing black in honour of Martyn Redding's father-in-law, who I got to hear was a war hero. He passed away a couple of days ago. Martyn Redding is now on the way to the funeral. He has a bronze star and a purple heart. So a serious gentleman. Had a wonderful life. He did lots of different things. I got to learn about it today. And I made a tribute. I just offered to do it. This is it here. This is the tribute I made here. If you're interested, I did a little thing here. This is Jonathan. This is Thomas Atchison, and I made a video for him. So if you want to go and check that out, have a little listen and leave a comment below. Is anybody? Oh, there we go. Some of you've already done it. There we go. Very nice. All my love and prayers to my friend Martyn Redding and his family. There we go. That's wonderful. That'd be really nice if all our team could go and do that. Go below this video and leave a message, because the family are going to watch this later on tonight, and they could read those comments. So that would be very nice. Honor this gentleman here. There we go. I did Amazing Grace, Time to Say Goodbye, and of course the United States National Anthem. Being a war veteran with a Purple Heart, it's the least I could do for him. All right. Well, we're going to wrap up the show in a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to get ready for my drive home show, which will be fun tonight. We're going to have a rock and roll party. Country Roads. Is Dr. Smith, are you going to be around for Country Roads? He mentioned some, somebody else mentioned that as well. What was it? John Denver. Yes, he is. He's going to pop on in. All right. Country Roads then it is. Bit of Country Roads. Have a bit of a sing-along. Nice one. Great, great, great. All right. NRXP. There we go. I don't see much happening now. Take me home, Country Roads. There it is. Carnival is just This is not much happening. This is what we call a boring exchange right now. This is just going. Tomorrow will be interesting because we've had all this action today. And then tomorrow, going into the weekend, tomorrow will be an interesting day because people will be hungry to do stuff, and that's an opportunity for us, level-headed investors, to take advantage. I bet you any money you like, Bitcoin will drop tomorrow. I bet you Bitcoin will have some volatility tomorrow. Doing this again now, scaring people. Oh, I want to get out. That kind of thing. I'm not worried about it. So there we go. Tomorrow I think will be weird. That's exactly right. So do I, Kenneth. I think it will be an awful day. Hello, Coke. I'm seeing Coca-Cola just having a bounce. Look at that. Coke, look at that. Just a 1% bounce. And again, Coke doesn't do West Virginia. I know where you're going with that. Your Country Roads. Look at that. Boing, straight up. All right. Okay, let's wrap up the show. Thank you ever so much indeed. And all our love goes out to Martyn Redding now and his family. I hope they enjoy the music and the tribute. And I will see you all back in half an hour's time for the Drive Home show. Just a quick update before I go, just to let you know that where is it? Let me go to the, excuse me a minute. I wanted to show you this. I wanted to show you this today. It is, I've got to go over here. We had very exciting news. Very exciting news on the Day Trader. Here we go. A few more. Look at this, folks. Look at this. Look at this. You ready? On the Day Trader YouTube channel. 17,000 views in the last 48 hours. Look at that, everybody. We've had some viral videos on the Day Trader. 17,000 views. Get in. That's exciting, isn't it? It's really weird when you think about it. It's like every second of the day, someone is watching one of my videos. Isn't that weird? Every second of the day. It's like, flipping heck, that's freaky. All right, I've got to go. So take care of yourselves. Happy trading. And behave yourselves. We'll see you back in half an hour. Get ready for a party now. I'm going to get some beers out the fridge. And we're gonna have a bit of a sing-along. All right? Take care of yourselves and each other.